In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to easily share your Amazon wishlist on your iPhone. Sharing your wishlist can be a great way to let friends and family know what items you'd like to receive as gifts. To get started, open up the Amazon app, and then tap on the Account button at the bottom. After that, tap where it says, Your Lists. Once you are on this page, you'll see a section called Your Lists and Registries. Just swipe through it and tap See All. Now it will show you all of your lists and registries. Tap and select the wish list that you want to share. What you want to do next is tap on the Invite button. Now it will give you two different options. View only. Anyone with a link can view your list without making edits. View and edit. Invited people can add or remove items from your list. Tap and select your preferred option. Now you can copy the link of this list and paste it anywhere you want, share this list via email, or share it via text message. You can tap More to see more options. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.